What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best laser level on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is CIGMAN Laser Level. The CIGMAN Green Laser Level is designed to support alignment and measurement tasks in construction and home improvement projects. It includes 12 green lines that cover 360 degrees, which helps with accurate layout across multiple surfaces. Whether working on framing, tiling, or wall installations, the tool supports consistent reference points throughout the area. Its compact structure, along with a durable build using metal components, supports work in various indoor or outdoor environments. Protection against dust and water allows the device to operate even on active job sites. The included remote lets the user change visibility and brightness without touching the device directly, helping maintain stability during adjustments. The laser unit supports self-leveling within 4 degrees and includes manual and pulse settings. Pulse mode works in combination with a laser receiver to extend the visible range, which can be useful on larger construction areas or when working outdoors in daylight. The compact size makes the tool easier to carry and store, especially when compared to larger 3-dimensional models. The tool contains a 4000 mAh battery built inside the housing. Charging can be completed with a Type-C cable connected to common sources such as wall outlets, portable power stations, or laptops. This setup supports longer tasks without the need to stop for battery replacement. The product works with 1/4-inch tripod connections and includes attachments for magnetic brackets and mini stands. These options help with setup on walls, ceilings, or flat surfaces. Each package includes the main unit, storage case, tripod base, magnetic support, target plate, control remote, and connection cable, all of which are intended to make setup easier and more stable for alignment in various situations. This combination supports professional work and do-it-yourself tasks that require consistent measurement. In our list, the number 2 product name is Motovera Laser Level. The Motovera Green Laser Level is created to support precise layout tasks for home improvement and construction. It is suitable for use in areas that require both horizontal and vertical alignment. The green beam enhances visibility in bright indoor areas and also performs effectively in daylight conditions. Designed to reach 100 feet indoors, it covers a wide area for various measurements and positioning needs. This model provides multiple brightness settings, helping manage battery power and adapting to changing lighting. The tool supports both automatic and manual leveling. It adjusts itself within 4 degrees in self-leveling mode and flashes if the surface is beyond its range. Manual use helps when working on uneven ground or angled planes. Constructed using acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, this laser unit combines strength with reduced weight. The outer layer supports impact protection and handles job site conditions with resistance to dust and moisture. Its rating allows it to function in rough environments without loss of performance. The tool is equipped with a rotating base and fine-tuning mount, making it easy to set it exactly where required. A full support set is provided, including 2 batteries, laser plate, adjustable base, and a magnetic bracket that turns in full circle. The mounting thread is compatible with common tripods. This allows stable use on walls, ceilings, and floor surfaces during remodeling, carpentry, tiling, or general alignment tasks. The internal green beam system follows Class 2 laser safety guidelines and emits less than 5 mW, making it appropriate for indoor use. Its simple structure allows movement from site to site without difficulty. The included case makes storage secure and portable, supporting those who work in multiple locations and need equipment that can be quickly packed, charged, and placed into action. In our list, the number 3 product name is Huepar Laser Level. Huepar Green Laser Level supports interior and exterior layout work for construction, renovation, and design alignment. It produces 1 horizontal and 2 vertical beams for full coverage across rooms or surfaces. Accuracy reaches close to 1/9 inch at 33 feet, making it suitable for demanding tasks where precision is necessary. The green lines maintain strong visibility under various lighting situations, including daylight or high indoor brightness. The rechargeable battery offers consistent power for extended hours. Charging can be completed through a Type-C cable directly into the laser or using alternate methods like portable battery sources. This flexibility supports long sessions without frequent interruptions for charging. The battery is removable, helping users stay prepared with backups if needed. This model includes both automatic and manual leveling modes. In the automatic function, the laser adjusts itself within 4 degrees to remain level. If the surface is uneven, the beam blinks to indicate the device is off balance. Manual mode allows the beam to stay at fixed angles, which helps in tasks that require tilted lines or custom slopes. The design includes resistance to moisture and dust. The rubber outer layer improves grip and reduces damage if dropped. The build ensures it remains dependable in rough job site conditions. It also includes a secure transport case to protect the equipment during storage or travel. Pulse setting is useful for extending working distance outdoors, especially when paired with a compatible detector. This expands the range from around 85 feet to approximately 200 feet in strong lighting. The accessory kit includes the green beam unit, high-capacity battery, pivot base, laser target plate, and storage container. With support for tripods and various mounting solutions, this tool is adaptable to diverse working setups on floors, ceilings, or walls. In our list, the number 4 product name is WEIDDW Laser Level. The WEIDDW Laser Level tool supports construction tasks where precision and stability are necessary. Designed to meet measurement demands in various environments, this product delivers consistent green laser lines for accurate alignment. With its rubber outer layer and square shape, the body helps absorb shocks, providing added protection while in use or during transport. Suitable for tasks such as hanging artwork, installing cabinets, or leveling walls and floors, the laser projects vertical and horizontal lines. Its multiple beams cover different angles, helping to reduce the need for manual tools. Green light visibility also makes it easier to see across bright or dim work conditions. Built for hands-on use, this tool operates with a straightforward control layout. Its simple setup allows anyone to use it without complex steps. The design is compact, which helps with portability, and the frame is built from material that supports long-term handling in job site settings. The leveling system functions automatically and can also be adjusted manually for custom angles. With a stable mount, it stays in place on many surfaces. This laser level is engineered for interior and exterior work, including home renovation, woodwork, and commercial projects. Laser brightness ensures that measurement lines remain visible over distances. The included hardware supports positioning, while internal components manage beam direction for steady output. Its rechargeable power source and mounting flexibility increase the tool's reliability. This laser level assists with layout jobs where time, visibility, and correct alignment matter. For professionals or hobbyists looking for a laser leveling solution, the WEIDDW 4-dimensional 16-line device offers dependable performance through its clear beam projection, build quality, and simplified handling in diverse work conditions. In our list, the number 5 product name is Huepar Laser Level. The Huepar green laser level is built to assist with measuring and alignment tasks across interior projects. This tool emits visible horizontal and vertical beams that improve accuracy when installing furniture, placing tiles, or aligning frames. The device is constructed using durable thermoplastic elastomers and acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, giving it strength to handle everyday usage on construction or renovation sites. Its compact body makes it convenient for transport, while its self-leveling system helps reduce manual setup. Whether you are decorating a room, positioning shelves, or managing indoor remodeling tasks, this laser tool aids in producing straight lines without guesswork. The included magnetic base helps maintain stability when attached to metal surfaces, increasing reliability during operation. By using green light output, visibility improves in both low light and brightly lit rooms. The tool maintains a consistent beam over an extended working distance and supports leveling in different directions. This makes it well suited for a variety of small and large layout jobs inside homes or commercial buildings. The product supports battery operation, allowing work in locations where direct power access is unavailable. The pendulum system supports automatic correction within a specific range, reducing the chance of error when working on uneven platforms. Useful for anyone from first-time users to skilled laborers, the design is simple to handle. It is also equipped with a basic control system that ensures smooth activation. Storage and mobility are enhanced by the included carrying bag. The Huepar green cross-line laser level supports tasks that demand reliable accuracy and consistent leveling. It adapts well to different surfaces and situations, offering a dependable guide for straight lines and even surfaces in a wide range of applications across home and light commercial work.